Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best home decor and design ideas. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to transform your pocket-sized bungalow's front yard into a charming and inviting landscape. Even with limited space, you can create a beautiful, functional, and personalized front yard that enhances the curb appeal of your home and provides a cozy outdoor retreat. Join us as we dive into a variety of landscaping ideas that are perfect for small front yards. Introduction to small front yard landscaping. Landscaping a small front yard presents unique challenges and opportunities. The goal is to maximize the available space, creating a visually appealing and functional area without overwhelming it. Thoughtful planning and design can turn even the smallest front yard into a captivating landscape. Key elements to consider include plant selection, hardscaping, and the use of vertical space. By combining these elements, you can achieve a harmonious and balanced design. Embracing vertical gardening. When space is limited, think vertically. Vertical gardening is an excellent way to add greenery and interest to your front yard without taking up valuable ground space. Consider installing a living wall or vertical planter. These structures can be mounted on walls or fences and filled with a variety of plants, from vibrant flowers to lush greenery. Vertical gardens not only save space but also create a stunning visual focal point. Another option is to use trellises or arbors to support climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or climbing roses. These plants add height and depth to your front yard, creating a sense of lushness and privacy. Hanging baskets are also a great way to introduce color and texture at eye level. Choose cascading plants like petunias, ferns, or trailing vines for a dramatic effect. Smart plant selection. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a successful small front yard landscape. Opt for plants that are well suited to your climate and soil conditions. Native plants are a great choice as they require less maintenance and water. Dwarf and compact varieties of shrubs, trees, and perennials are ideal for small spaces. Consider using a mix of evergreen and deciduous plants to ensure year-round interest. Evergreen plants provide structure and greenery even in winter, while deciduous plants add seasonal color and texture. Low-growing ground covers like thyme, sedum, or creeping phlox can fill in gaps and create a lush carpet-like effect. Use container gardening to add flexibility and versatility to your design. Containers can be moved around to change the layout or to protect plants from extreme weather. Choose attractive pots and planters that complement your overall design theme. Grouping containers of different sizes and heights can create a layered and dynamic look. Creating pathways and hardscaping. Pathways and hardscaping elements are essential for defining spaces and adding structure to your front yard. A well-designed pathway not only guides visitors to your front door, but also enhances the overall aesthetic. Consider using natural materials like stone, brick, or gravel for a timeless and organic look. Stepping stones or pavers can create a simple yet elegant pathway that blends seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. Incorporate a small patio or seating area if space allows. A cozy seating nook can provide a welcoming spot to relax and enjoy your front yard. Use materials that complement the style of your home, whether it's a rustic wooden bench, a sleek metal chair, or a charming wrought iron set. Adding a small bistro table and chairs can transform even the tiniest space into a delightful outdoor dining area. Incorporating water features. A water feature can add a sense of tranquility and sophistication to your front yard. While large fountains or ponds may not be practical for small spaces, there are many compact options available. Consider a small bubbling fountain, a wall-mounted water feature, or a simple bird bath. These elements not only provide visual interest, but also create soothing sounds that enhance the overall ambience. If you have a little more space, a small reflecting pool or a series of miniature ponds can create a serene focal point. Surround the water feature with plants and stones to create a natural, integrated look. Adding a water feature can also attract birds and other wildlife, bringing an extra touch of nature to your front yard. Enhancing curb appeal with lighting. Outdoor lighting is essential for both safety and aesthetics. Proper lighting can highlight key features of your front yard, create a warm and inviting atmosphere, and extend the usability of your outdoor space into the evening. Consider using a combination of path lights, spotlights, and accent lights to achieve a balanced and well-lit design. Solar-powered lights are an eco-friendly and cost-effective option for illuminating pathways and garden beds. String lights or fairy lights can add a magical touch, draped over trees, shrubs, or pergolas. Lanterns and sconces placed near the front door can enhance the entrance and provide a welcoming glow. Use lighting to accentuate architectural features, highlight plants, and create depth and shadows. Adding personal touches. Personalize your front yard with decorative elements that reflect your style and personality. Garden art, such as sculptures, wind chimes, or decorative stakes, can add whimsy and character. A well-placed mirror can create the illusion of more space and reflect light and greenery. Consider incorporating a small decorative fence or hedge to define boundaries and add structure. Use painted or stained wood for a rustic look, or choose sleek metal for a modern aesthetic. Adding a mailbox with a unique design or a custom house number plaque can also enhance your curb appeal. Incorporate seasonal decorations to keep your front yard looking fresh and vibrant throughout the year. Planters filled with seasonal flowers, wreaths on the front door, or festive lights can add a touch of celebration and change with the seasons. Conclusion. Transforming a pocket-sized bungalow front yard into a beautiful and functional landscape is all about creativity and thoughtful design. By embracing vertical gardening, choosing the right plants, incorporating pathways and hardscaping, adding water features, enhancing lighting, and adding personal touches, you can create a stunning front yard that maximizes every inch of space. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the best landscaping ideas for small front yards. We hope you feel inspired to transform your own front yard into a charming and inviting space. For more tips, inspiration, and DIY projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video. Until next time, happy gardening and enjoy the beauty of your new front yard.